can also wear it, you know, up. However you want to do it, you can still do it. You know, look at that. Hey, it's me, Beautiful Southern Roots, Charlene here. And I decided to do another wig review, headband edition. Well, it's actually not a headband wig, but once again, I'm making it a headband wig. And it's more of a transition because I think the headband wigs are still popular, but I think we need to transition them a little bit because I don't know. I don't like the bulky headbands all the time. I like wearing them, but not all the time. Sometimes you want a seamless look, but you still want a headband look, if you get what I'm saying. So today, I'm going to show you how I wear my headband wig sometimes. Now the wig I'm going to use today is the Outre Nisha H301. This is a half wig. I really like this wig. I purchased a couple of them because I really like it. And the thing about this wig, everybody has it. I'm not even gonna go through the whole showing the inside and all of that because everyone has this wig. Everyone's seen it. And it's no different from any other wig. This is, it's not like a wig review, really, actually. I'm just giving you a new technique on, you know, the headband wig. So right out the pack, she's beautiful. You know, I said I wasn't gonna show this, but you know, how the inside look. They got the two combs on the side, which makes it, you know, more flat. So let's go ahead and take this off. I got my hair in twists. If you follow me, you would know that I recently cut my hair and I have a styling video coming up on how I created a twist out, but this is not that video. So my hair is in twist. I have my wig cap on and you notice that it's back because some of my hair will be out. So let's talk about the headband that we're going to use. Now, this is the headband that we're going to use. It's one of your regular headbands with the string in the back, with elastic band in the back, and it has holes in the top. This creates a more realistic look, in my opinion, because when you see this, it's not just a band, it's open. You know, it kind of just gives a more realistic look, in my opinion, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on because getting it over that wig sometimes is hard. I'm gonna go ahead and put my wig on. And I am using the combs today. Normally, I use a wig grip, but don't know where it is right now. So, I'm gonna go ahead and use the combs. Okay, so she's on. I'm gonna use my paddle brush and get some of these tight curls out. You know, brush her a little bit. I like to brush my hair you know, down the direction that you're gonna wear it. So if you're a girl who likes to bring it on down a little bit, just go ahead and you know, manipulate the look that you want before you put the band on. So this is kind of the look I want. I have my sides down, you know, to try to get that hump out, because you know how some wigs have, they're humpy, you know. This is a thick wig, but you know, just to bring it down a little bit, I kind of brush it to the side, you know, just a little. But you have to decide what looks good for you. So now, as you know, I'm not really an edges girl, but this is when you would, you know, just for you guys, I'll put a little bit of gel. And yes, my edges are gray. I probably mention that in every video, but we're gonna work on it. We is gonna work on it. One thing we don't really care though. You know? I've been dealing with this for a long time. Okay, we want to kind of scoot those edges back. Once you have your edges the way you want, you can be more creative. You can, you know, slick them down, put your wrap on them, let them rest, and all of that jazz. I'm not big on the edges, but you can, that part you can do however you like. And then your headband. So, see if I can zoom in some. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna place your headband right over the part. You see that? I'm just lifting it up in the back a little bit, over the back of the wig, so it won't be down on my neck. But you can do the back however is comfortable for you. But I just put my headband on like that. I like one side back. And there you have it. The black headband. I think that the holes makes it look more natural, in my opinion. I get a lot of compliments on it. Not the headband, on my hair. A lot of people, you know, are like, oh, you have beautiful hair. You know, and I think it's mainly because the headband makes it look supernatural. You know, tell me what you think. I've been wearing it like this lately. When I wear my headband my wigs with a headband, let's switch it around. My wigs with a headband is what I wear. And I really have gotten to the less bulky headbands, just for a new, just a different look. you know, it's still the same look, but different. It's not just the band, you know, you have a more look. And they have all types of headbands like this. You can get them, you can get the sparkly ones, you know, just the more slimmer looking ones, just to get away from the wrap, the bigger band. And you have that option when you use a half wig. Now, if you buy a headband wig, I don't think this will work. I'm not sure, but I don't think this look will work. But when you get a half wig, which is very inexpensive, and you use your own headband, you can create any kind of look you want. And this right here has been my look for a couple of months. And I really like it. It's so versatile. You can also wear it, you know, up. However you want to do it, you can still do it. You know, look at that. Just put a band on the back of this and honey, you have a whole new look. It really works. It's a great idea. If you've been like me trying to figure out a new way of wearing your headband wigs or wearing your half wig, sorry, and you don't want to have your hair out, you know, my hair, this is out, but it isn't out, you know, it's just slicked back with the wig on top. You don't have to have it out as far as covering, you know, the wig, right? But enough about that. That was really easy and I'm sure you get the point. And you know, I just wanted to give another tip on what I'm doing with my wigs. And I thought, you know, you might wanted to know. I just thought maybe I could help you. So until next time, please subscribe, comment, and give me a thumbs up, right? Let's try that. Let's get it going. My subscribers are growing and I really appreciate everyone. Thank you so much for the support. And I will continue to get these videos out, okay? So, until next time, beautiful Southern Roots. Later.